I first became interested in becoming an attorney when I was 19 and I was at a trade show showing my products, and there was a guy who came into our trade show booth and said, "See it, love it, I'm copying it tomorrow." And that, of course, totally pissed me off, and I thought, oh my God, I've got to do something to protect my business and protect my company. I think that experience really informs how I deal with my clients because I've walked a mile in their shoes, and to understand all of the difficulties that they deal with, whether they're business problems, legal problems, and I can counsel them on both of them. In my experience, it's really important to have someone you can speak to who's an actual live human being who could answer your specific questions. So there are a lot of online resources that will file papers for you, and that's really all they do. They'll just file papers. I can sit down and speak with you about your specific needs for your specific business, and that's not what these online resources do. So my areas of expertise are intellectual property law and business law and fashion law. And basically, as an intellectual property attorney, what I do is I file trademarks and copyrights to protect your brand names and to protect your artwork that's fixed in tangible media. It could be photographs, screenplays, paintings, and so forth. And then I form business entities. If you want to form a partnership or a corporation or LLC, that's what I do. And then in terms of fashion law, I used to be in-house counsel at BCBG, and I have a great in-depth knowledge of what it takes to run and operate a fashion company. One of my strengths, I've been told as an attorney, is to be able to break things down in layman's terms for my clients so that they have a firm grasp on what they're hiring me to do for them, and then when they leave my office, they feel very confident and comfortable in what they're doing. When I was 19, I left my sunglasses at the office of an attorney who was filing a patent for me, and when I called him to see if they were there, he ended up billing me for the call. And when I received that bill, I was so livid and furious that I decided, you know, if I ever become an attorney, I will never bill people that way. So that's really informed how I behave as an attorney, and what I do is I charge reasonable flat fees for many things that I do, including trademark filing, copyright filing, and forming corporations, LLCs, and partnerships in California. And in addition to that, when I bill people hourly for contract drafting, negotiation, and review, it's a reasonable flat fee that I tell my clients about ahead of time, and I give them an estimate, and I adhere to that estimate. So you won't receive any mystery bill in the mail from me. You'll know exactly what you're going to pay from the outset. I'm Melissa K. Dagodag, the attorney for creative types. My website is melissakdagodag.com, and you can take a look at my website for tips of the month.